cosmic dance. Patterns turn, they twist, things prance. Planets waltz in perpetual cosmic spin. Echoes whisper where entities have been. Layers folding, overlapping, ages bright. Alchemy in swirling waves of light. Not a line, but looping, sparkling streams. History sings in celestial spiral dreams. Round and round the stars align. Past and present intertwine. Through the echoes we can see time beyond mortal memory. Seasons thread like silver waves. Conjunction, eclipse, prophecy says. Moments call through space untold. Spirals combine, rectangular gold. Turn, spinning wheel, resounds. Lost and found in sacred rounds. Circles speak, the silence hums. Everything returns, becomes. Round and round the stars align. Past and present fade, intertwine. Through eternal echoes we can see time beyond mortal memory. Streams, rivers, oceans, tides zone. Waves weaving around bone and stone. Spinning, singing, energies climb. Living deep in spiral time. Streams, rivers, oceans, tides zone. Waves weaving around bone and stone. Spinning, singing, energies climb. Living deep in spiral